Now we're going to play the laser game. So in my hand here, I have an invisible green laser. And this laser sounds like wah, 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 wah. And what this laser's job is to do, it's going to come around and try to cut all your heads off. So what do you think you should do? Do you think you should let it cut your heads off? Or do you think that you should do a duck? You're right. So ready? We're going to practice. We're going to go slow. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. Up. Did you duck? If you ducked, you did a good job. If you stayed up standing straight, you got your head cut off, but it came back on. So let's try one more time. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. Nice. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. Good. Wah, 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 wah. All right, now the other laser that I have, it's an invisible red laser. And this one goes, and this one's gonna try to cut your feet off. So ready? Everybody, make sure you jump. Good. Nice. All right, let's see who's paying attention. Wah, 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 wah. Wow, you guys are really good at jumping and ducking. Can you do both? Nice! Good job. One more. Nice job. High five.